So our Valerion projector doesn't seem to turn on anymore. Just now I have plugged it in and rechecking it. I just brought it down from mount and let's see, just give it one more try. Okay, mount is in. Pressing the power button doesn't do anything at all. It's completely non-responsive. So let me check the power adapter just in case. Let me see if I can do it like this. Oops. So I have my multimeter turned on, set at DC. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Kind of hard to do recording. So let's see. Yes. And yep. So I'm getting 36 volt. The positive is inside, I guess. So there we go. So the voltage is fine, 35.9, which seems the adapter is not the problem.